So you're thinking about moving to Lakewood Ranch. Hi, my name's Wendy Lynn, and we are going to be talking to you and showing you the community of Esplanade in Lakewood Ranch today. It is a maintenance-free, gated community, resort-style, luxury living with a golf course, restaurant, tiki bar, you name it, this neighborhood has it. We are going to go and show you all of those amenities right now. Thanks for watching our video on Esplanade today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and you'll be able to get notified on all upcoming communities that we are going to be showing you soon.